Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make Espagueti Verde. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, so we're going to begin by roasting 3 large chile poblanos and 1 chile jalapeño or serrano. And just allow them to get nice and short all around. Okay, and once our chiles are done, we're going to transfer them to a plastic bag. And just allow them to sweat for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to peel our chiles and remove the stem as well. Then transfer them to the blender cup. Now that we have our chiles, we can get ready to make our sauce. So to that, also add a piece of onion, 1 garlic clove, a handful of cilantro, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of crema mexicana, 3/4 of a cup of milk, chicken bouillon, garlic salt, and black pepper. Now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Okay, and once we have our sauce, we can set it to the side so we can cook our spaghetti. Now to our pot over medium-high heat, we're going to fill it up halfway with water. To that, add a piece of onion, 2 bay leaves, and salt. Now we're just going to bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add your spaghetti and cook it al dente according to its package. Once our spaghetti is done, we're going to reserve half a cup of pasta water. And now we're just going to drain it from the pot. And now returning to our pot over medium heat, we're going to be melting our butter. And once the butter melts, we're going to add our sauce. Here I'm going to be adding my pasta water. Add it in. And we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, and once our sauce comes to a simmer, taste it for salt to see if you need to adjust it. And now here we're going to get ready to add our spaghetti. And along with that, our cheese. And we're just going to allow it to cook together for 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, our delicious Espagueti Verde is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Alrighty, and of course, I just like to top it with some queso fresco and serve it with some milanesas. But regardless of how you enjoy it, I promise you, it's seriously the best. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So creamy, so perfect every single time. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious Espagueti Verde. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.